Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I am coming to interview one man in the Philippines. Anyway, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Chinedu Desmond Emiana,
Oh, okay.
aka Dede na Philippines.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I'm going to call you Dede.
Yeah, Dede.
Okay,
Dede.
nice one.
Dede means the senior brother of boys.
Nice
in
one,
Philippines.
nice one.
Don't look at my height, but I'm the senior brother of boys
Nice one.
because of the IQ.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice meeting you,
Yeah.
Mr. Dede.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so Dede, please, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria, from eastern part of Nigeria, but beg your pardon, let me put it this way. I'm from a Biafra.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm a Biafra.
Oh,
Because
okay.
the way Nigeria is going now, no any typical Igbo man will like to call himself a Nigerian any longer. I'm a typical Biafra man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I come from Biafra land, from Imo State, Owerri, Biafra land.
Oh, okay. Nice one. So, what are you doing in the Philippines now?
Actually, I based in Dubai.
Oh, okay.
I based in Dubai, but my wife is a Filipino,
Oh, okay.
so sometimes I visit in Philippines and stay and go back. But right now, the way this pandemic is going on right now, I believe.
I will come there. But before I come there, how did you start your journey from back home, Nigeria? How did you start it?
Yeah, my brother. Yeah, that's a very good question.
Okay.
My journey started all the way from Lagos.
Okay.
You know where you know Lagos in Nigeria.
Sure.
It's a city of hustlers.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody came to Lagos to make ends meet,
Okay.
including foreigners.
Okay.
That is where it started. But when things are not working well for a man, I have to go back to my village. I'll call it
Okay.
village. That is where I started finding one way or the other to travel out.
Okay.
So, by the special grace of God, I happened to get the opportunity to raise money
Okay.
and travel to Dubai some years back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So back home, what were you doing in Nigeria? Back home.
When I was in Lagos, I work in a Chinese construction company.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm aluminum fabricator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I fix aluminum and also do some carpentry work.
Oh, okay.
In Chinese company, you don't have any specific work.
Mm-hmm.
They can call you, do this, do that. You have to be versatile.
Okay.
That's all Chinese know all about. Anything you don't know, they feel that you don't have anything. So you have to be versatile.
Oh, okay.
So that is how I start my journey of life.
Okay.
Yeah.
So someone will be asking, back home, you wanted to travel. There are a lot of first-class countries around. Why Dubai?
Oh, yeah. You know, Dubai is a country that needs a skillful work.
Okay.
Yeah, if I have a skill, like handwork, let me put it handwork. Your viewers that doesn't know much about skill,
Okay.
handwork, you can go to Dubai.
Okay.
Because a lot of companies are there. Majority of construction companies are there. Then you have to learn more. So that is why I give Dubai a try. And being a Nigerian passport holder, it's
Okay.
not easy to travel to a bigger country.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not easy. So you have to start from a little. That is
Okay.
why I start from Dubai.
Oh, okay. So who introduced Dubai for you?
Actually, it's my junior brother,
Oh, okay.
the one that I senior direct. He told me that, bro, can you try Dubai? I say, yeah, but do we have connection? He said, yes, you have a connection. There is an elderly man that he used to go seminar with.
Okay.
The man have an in-law. I have an in-law that is an agent that can take me to Dubai. I said, okay, no problem, let us try. So that is how I try it. And it works. Yeah.
Okay, nice one. So you went to Dubai.
Mm.
What did you do in Dubai?
My first experience when I landed in Dubai, I first landed in Cairo, Egypt.
Oh, okay.
I spent some hours in Cairo, Egypt.
Okay.
Then our flights took off to Dubai,
Oh, okay.
Dubai Terminal 1. Then we took off. When I landed in Dubai, unfortunately, I didn't see anybody to receive me.
Mm,
Yeah, I was left alone in the airport for the couple of 3 hours
okay.
waiting for someone to receive me. Nobody to receive me because I feel that the agent that helped me out with the visa traveling did not put every measures very well
Okay.
for someone to receive me. So I was there all alone before a man from Pakistan,
Okay.
used my passport photocopy.
Okay.
Started looking for me in the airport. I was there standing alone when the man who hold the passport copy and passed through me. I look at the little paper that was in the man's hand. I saw my face there.
Okay.
That's why I draw the man. The man look at. The man asked me, "Are you Desmond?" I said, "Yeah, I'm Desmond." He said, I've been looking around. I said, "I'm here waiting because I didn't have contact of anybody." He said, "Okay, now I'm the person that want to come and pick you up."
Okay.
That is how the man picked me up to the company that I work for in Dubai.
Oh, okay. Nice one. So, finally, you were able to
Yeah.
work in Dubai. You were working in Dubai as what?
I'm working in Dubai as a construction laborer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I started as a construction laborer in Dubai.
Oh, okay.
I work with Indians
Okay.
because Indians is the one that hold the key of labor in
Okay.
Dubai. If you went to Dubai, if you don't work with Indians, that means your mission have not yet complete.
Okay.
So I worked with them. From there, I was put in charge of bringing glass, aluminium glass
Oh,
to
okay.
them to fix. Then later on, I start feeling to let me start learning. And the way that I put myself, I will humble myself to them.
Okay.
Because if Indian man be ahead of you in any company, you have to be humble for you to gain something from him.
Okay.
If you are proud and arrogant and stubborn, they will not. They will make sure that you go down. Since you are down, you'll be down permanently.
Okay.
So I was wise enough to make friends with them, even though I don't hear their language, because they speak Hindi.
Okay.
So I was very closer to them, playing jokes with them, related with them. That is why they put me through. I started learning how to fix aluminium glass fabricator.
Oh, okay. Nice one. So this things you are saying, that was in which year?
That's year. Oh yeah, that's 2015, 16, 17. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you stayed in Dubai for how long?
I was in Dubai for a couple of 3 years.
Oh, okay. Nice one. So how was your life in Dubai?
Bro, life is not easy in Dubai.
Okay.
Life is not easy. If you want to live a very high life in Dubai,
Okay.
make sure that you have the cash with you.
Oh, okay.
Because this is a Muslim country, so you don't have to live a large life. Because if you live a large life, they start thinking that you are doing something else.
Oh, okay.
Because once you are in Dubai, it's either you are working for a company or you came for enjoyment. But if the enjoyment is over, they start looking at you. That you know there must be something fishing
Oh, okay.
from you. So Dubai life is a low key for us because we live in a company quarters.
Okay.
Yeah, we live in a company quarters, and a very large room will be up to 6 men in the
Okay.
large room with our base space. So that is how we stay in Dubai.
Oh, okay. So, is life hard in Dubai?
Yeah. I would say life is hard in Dubai because in Dubai you don't have time for yourself. You only have time for the work, the job you came to do.
Okay.
Since you are not coming to enjoy your life as a tourist.
Mm-hmm.
You come through company, so you dedicated all your life to the company.
Mm-hmm.
You only have enjoyment only on Friday.
Oh, okay.
Only on Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, which is our normal rest day, being a Christian, you don't have it.
Okay.
You put it to work. It's only on Friday. And that Friday, if you are going out to enjoy yourself, you give yourself a time limit. That's
Okay.
also time and coming back to rest against Saturday morning.
Okay.
So I'm not sure. There's no life in Dubai. There's no life in Dubai.
Okay. So, in which year did you think about Philippines?
I think about. I don't think much about Philippines. Before it was when I met my wife, I started thinking of relocating to Philippines. I'm not thinking of coming to Philippines because when we are in Dubai,
Okay.
we saw many Filipinos in
Mhm.
Dubai. We thought that they have nothing in their country.
Okay.
That is what we think. So these people are coming here to work like us.
Mhm.
That means their country is nothing. So I'm not thinking of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it was when I met my wife, I start contemplating of coming to Philippines.
Oh, okay. So, how did you meet your wife?
Well, I meet my wife through social media. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Facebook.
Nice one.
Yes, I chatted her. She chatted me back. We become Facebook friends. We start talking on Facebook. Chatting to each other, discussing. I'm not telling him how things are going. Although she always mistook me of another person.
Oh, okay.
But she feel that we all resemble each other. Sometimes he will send me picture. Is that you? I say no, it's not me. it's not me. Sometimes again she will send another picture of a man. Is that you? I said no, this is not me. He said because you people look alike. Say yeah, we look alike, but that is not me. That is not me. I'm not the person. So, but don't worry. I will make sure that maybe anytime that I have opportunity to come to your country, I will come. So, but that is how we become a very good friend. So that thought of coming to Philippines starts entering my mind of giving it a try in Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, you met your wife on social media.
Yeah.
How did it start? In terms of relationship, because you guys were friends before.
Yeah. We met as I tell you earlier, we met on Facebook. From there we start chatting each other very, very much. Every time we chat each other. But there's a time that we have a little misunderstanding.
Oh, okay.
I told her that don't chat me any longer. I ceased the chatting. But she's not. She didn't lose hope. That's they say that any person that belongs to you belongs to you.
Nice one.
She didn't lose hope. She keep on chatting me.
Okay.
I told her that I don't want anymore. Don't stop disturbing me. You see, stop disturbing me because there is a time she start thinking of scamming.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe so. Since you know that I'm in Nigeria, she start thinking that I'm a scammer. So I told her that not every Nigerian is a scammer. You that interview me, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So all white ladies feel that we are scammers, especially once we are in Nigeria. I told him that no, I'm not a scammer. But to prove to you that I'm not a scammer, what do you want?
Okay.
She's okay, she need money.
Okay.
It's okay, money. I say, okay, don't worry. How much do you need? He said she need any amount. It's okay. I send her 100 dirhams.
Okay, that is how much pesos?
That is how much, almost about 7,000 pesos.
Oh, okay.
100 dirham is 3,000. 1,300.
No.
100 dirham, honey, I know na.
You sure?
First you send me 1,500.
So that is what I sent to her, 100 dirhams. So
Okay.
I don't know how much in Philippines then.
Okay.
But unfortunately, she could not get the money because
Okay.
I do mistake in some names.
Okay.
You could not get the money, but I showed her evidence that I sent money to you,
Okay.
and she see it. This is true. So if this guy can send money to me, that means it's not a scammer. But later on, the Western Union sent back the money to me back because there's some mistake because I didn't know how much. I collected my money back. So that is how we started the trust.
Okay.
Now came. So we start relating each other, sharing feelings each other, telling if we have problems, she would tell me this and that, this and that. So actually, when I was Dubai, I was much a bigger help to her.
Oh, okay.
I want to be a bigger help to her. And before I decided to finally came to Philippines, and she played a major role for
Okay.
me coming to Philippines. She
Okay.
played a very big major role because without her, I will not be
In the
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, in which year did you started this with her?
Okay. In which way?
I mean, in which year?
in which year are located here?
No, in which year you met your wife?
That should be 2000 and that should 2018.
Oh, okay.
218. Yeah, it's 218.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you were in Dubai.
I was in Dubai. Yeah.
Which year did it hit you that fine, I need to go to the Philippines?
That is 2019.
2019.
Yeah.
You
2019.
finally decided.
I finally decided
Oh,
to
okay.
move to Philippines. Immediately I came to Philippines, it doesn't take more time. We have COVID.
Oh, okay. So does it mean before you were coming, you've been visiting Philippines before?
Before I was coming, I have not yet visited Philippines.
Oh, okay. So you coming, how was it like? Like, were you not scared of coming to the Philippines?
Yeah. Actually, I was a little bit nervous.
Oh, okay.
But I decided to beat my chest that let me go.
Okay.
Since I can leave my country and land in Egypt,
Mhm.
stay in Egypt and land in Dubai, what is it? But some of my relatives are telling me Philippines, this and that, they will eat me up, this and that, this and that. I say no, let me go. So I decided to get myself ready. Once I get the visa, my visa didn't take much time.
Okay.
Yeah. Once he sent the invitation letter to me,
Mhm.
I took it to Philippine embassy in Dubai.
Okay.
Philippines have two embassies, one in Abu Dhabi, the capital of UAE,
Oh,
and
okay.
the other one is in Dubai. So when I submitted it in Dubai, it just told me, wait a little bit, sir. Then I wait. They asked me, go and pay your visa fee. I pay my visa fee. They asked me to come back 7 working days.
Okay.
Then I came. They gave it to me.
Oh, okay.
They gave it to because I got all the requirements. My salary is a little bit huge.
Okay.
So they know that this man have what it takes to come to our country. So
Mhm.
that is how I got the visa and booked the flight.
Oh, okay. So when you were coming, did you know any other black friend or let's say a brother in this country aside your wife?
I didn't know anybody.
Oh, really?
It's just only her.
Oh, okay.
Before I came, she already told her relatives, her cousin, they all with me at the Clark Airport in
Oh, okay.
Philippines. I didn't stop in Manila. I just stopped in Cebu. Then 1 hour flight to Clark.
Oh, okay.
That is, she already waiting for me there. Even when I was passing through immigration process,
Mhm.
the immigration lady told me that, who are you coming to visit? I said, I'm coming here to visit my fiancée. He say, your fiancée? He say, where is she? I said, she's waiting for me outside. He say, are you going to stay with her? I said, yes, I'm going to stay in her apartment. So the woman said, okay. You based in Dubai, sir? I said, yeah, based in Dubai, sir. It's okay, congratulations, welcome to Philippines. As I stamp my passport and give back to me. Then I met wife
Oh,
on
okay.
the arrival hall.